This time of year, you can find a subtle native orchid on your wild wanderings, the southern Twayblade, or Neottia bifolia. This wee little orchid grows about several inches tall, never reaching more than 12 inches in height. Its brownish purple to pale green flowers are virtually invisible on the forest floor. Suffice it to say, it is a difficult plant to find, and believe it or not, there are about 12 of them here just in front of me. But pay attention to that species epithet and you will find a hidden clue: bifolia. Bifolia refers to the two leaves that grow on the stem of this native wildflower. And for an orchid hunter like myself, it's those twin green leaves that act as a beacon, drawing attention to this otherwise obscure orchid. Southern Twayblade attracts a range of minute pollinators, from fungus gnats to mosquitoes, which is fitting because it prefers to grow in places where those critters abound. In the low country, that means our low places, like the boggy margins of an ephemeral wetland or swamp, like you see behind me. It offers pollinators nectar through two nectaries, one of which is visible on the lip of the orchid as a yellow T-shaped spot. Despite its small stature, the presence of this native orchid is huge. Research shows that southern Twayblade is one of the first species of plants to disappear when disturbance has impacted adjacent uplands, and thus impacts the quantity and quality of water that runs off into the low places this orchid prefers to grow. Which means this native orchid is a metaphorical canary in the coal mine, and its presence indicates a healthy, unpolluted ecosystem. Finding the southern Twayblade near your community should not be taken lightly. It affirms that the planning and land management practices in place are working as intended, in this case, protecting wild places from adjacent land disturbance. You can find this blooming orchid through April, so be on the lookout and please watch where you step.